Welcome, car enthusiasts, to an exclusive reveal. This is not just a car, this is a full transformation. Prepare to witness how the Toyota Corolla 2025 evolves into a true sporty beast. We're taking this iconic vehicle and pushing its boundaries, crafting a machine that demands attention. Our journey begins with a custom body kit, meticulously designed for aggressive aesthetics and enhanced aerodynamics. Every curve, every bend is engineered to transform its profile from sleek to sensational. Next, we illuminate the night with cutting-edge LED upgrades, brighter, sharper, and undeniably stylish. These aren't just lights, they're a statement, ensuring your presence is felt long before you arrive. But the transformation isn't just skin deep. Step inside, and you'll discover a world of luxury. We've reimagined the interior, replacing standard finishes with premium materials and bespoke craftsmanship. From plush Alcantara to carbon fiber accents, every detail exudes sophistication and comfort. The driving experience is elevated with advanced technology seamlessly integrated into the cabin. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete sensory overhaul, designed for the discerning driver. Watch how the Toyota Corolla 2025 turns into a sporty beast, a testament to innovation and passion. Every element, from the aggressive stance to the refined interior, speaks volumes about its new identity. This is more than just a car. It's a statement, a lifestyle, a masterpiece of automotive artistry. Experience the thrill, embrace the luxury, redefine your drive with the transformed Toyota Corolla 2025.